Perhaps you somehow damaged your metabolism over time and find that it's not working as it once did. There are lots of reasons our metabolisms can decrease over time. Today we're going to look at 10 foods to revitalize and maintain your metabolism and help you own your biome.
Your health from the inside out.
Before getting into the 10 foods for metabolism, I want to say that one of the best things for your metabolism is to give attention to your thyroid and make sure it has the right balance of iodine. Your thyroid gland needs iodine to convert T4 into a usable form of T3. The thyroid helps modulate the rate of your metabolism, and the faster your metabolism, the more calories your body burns at rest. So now let's look at 10 top foods you may want to include in your diet to support a healthy metabolism. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with a phytonutrient that helps in boosting metabolism as well as reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and obesity. Moreover, green tea is a zero-calorie drink, and you can add ginger, honey, or lemon to give your cup of green tea a different flavor every day. Have a cup of green tea with your breakfast or between large meals. Food number 2. Egg yolks. If you want to improve your metabolic rate, then you should consume the whole egg. Egg yolks are rich in essential fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins, and choline that regulates the gene responsible for fat storage in your liver. Consuming whole eggs also increases the plasma HDL cholesterol. That's the good cholesterol. So feel good about having a whole egg or two a day. Food number 3. Lean protein. When it comes to increasing your metabolic rate, it is critical that you eat lean protein sources daily with each meal. Protein is food for your muscles, and eating protein will build lean muscle mass, along with exercise, which will increase your weight but reduce body fat percent. Also, proteins are difficult to digest, and you'll find that they keep you feeling full longer. Proteins can increase your metabolic rate up to 35%. Number 4. Fruits and veggies. Fruits and veggies are loaded with dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other phytonutrients that help to detoxify the body and increase the metabolic rate. Whole fruits and vegetables do this by reducing inflammation in the body, and inflammation is one of the reasons for slow metabolism and inflammation-induced obesity. Find variety in your fruit and vegetable choices. Explore the possibilities of various whole fruits and vegetables. Food number 5. Garlic. Besides being good for your blood, garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation and increase your metabolism. Have 1 garlic clove every morning to increase metabolic rate and minimize the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Also include garlic in your salad dressing, with grilled veggies, in soups, and in your cooking whenever you can. Number 6. Yogurt. Yogurt is loaded with good gut bacteria that helps digestion. Scientists have also found that consuming a substantial amount of yogurt can help reduce fat around your midsection. Improper digestion is often the reason for a slow metabolic rate. Therefore, consuming yogurt can help improve digestion and increase the metabolic rate. Food number 7. Nuts. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and protein. Healthy fats help lower inflammation and therefore help to reduce the risk of obesity. Nuts improve metabolism and make you feel full. Try 4 to 6 almonds in the morning with your breakfast. Snack on a handful of pistachios. Make a pesto using pine nuts, or include walnuts with your dark chocolate. Explore the wide variety of nuts and great ways to put them into your routine. Number 8. Water. Water therapy works wonders. Make it a habit of drinking at least 2 glasses of water first thing after you wake up in the morning. This will help flush out the toxins from your body, thereby reducing inflammation. In fact, scientists have found that drinking 2 liters of water every day, about 2 quarts, can increase your metabolic rate. So keep yourself hydrated throughout the day to keep your metabolism kicking. Number 9. Reduce alcohol consumption. Office parties, house parties, weddings, birthdays, promotions, you name it. Alcohol is a typical part of most celebrations these days, and that's fine. But you have to be extra careful about consuming too much alcohol because it can slow your metabolism. You see, alcohol in the body causes dehydration, which increases inflammation, and that in turn leads to a slower metabolism. Once the metabolic rate slows down, the calories from alcohol get stored as fat. Finally, food number 10, broccoli. Broccoli is wonderful for metabolism support. It is rich in antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress levels. This in turn helps to flush out the inflammation-inducing toxins. Broccoli is also anti-cancerous and improves heart health. You can blanch broccoli, sauté it, grill it, or add it to soup or salad. However, the one thing to be aware of is that overcooking broccoli destroys its goodness. Did this give you some ideas for your metabolism? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check our channel's other videos for more tips and health ideas on how you can own your body.